Good morning. Today is August 5th, 2020, and welcome to StockStarters.com. Join us every day at StockStarters, where you can learn how to successfully swing trade the market or intraday trade the market. Every day on StockStarters.com, you will get a market analysis, and for your swing traders, you will get your move for today, your trade for today, and for traders that like to intraday trade and have time to trade, you will be able to join us at about 10 o'clock and look for moves throughout the day. If you take a look at this chart on the right, we have our daily chart here. As you can see, the market is currently trending up. It's going long. Yesterday, the high was $270.48. As you can see here, if I take a horizontal line, here was your previous high at this point. So on August 3rd, the market briefly made a new high and pulled back. But yesterday, it closed very strong. You can see here on the 5-minute chart, at the end of the day, it was down, and approximately 240, the market started moving up and it closed strong. And if you look at it on the daily chart, that means we closed strong. We closed higher than the previous high, so we made a new high. Now here, during pre-market, we have $1.17 profit. Join us at StockStarters and learn how to take advantage of that profit, take that profit off of the table, and then enter into the trade if it continues to go long throughout the day. Or you can just set your stop loss below the low of yesterday. The low of yesterday was $268.09. Join us at StockStarters, and our traders will teach you how to successfully place your stop loss below the low of yesterday in order to lock in profits and continue to move in the direction of the trade. Now, swing trading is for traders that do not have a lot of time and you want to take a more hands-off approach. So you set your stop loss to lock in profit as the market continues in the direction in which it's going. So currently now it's going up, meaning it's moving long. So you set your stop loss below the low of the previous day. You can take profit along the way. How you choose to take your profit is entirely up to you. Or you can just keep placing your stop loss below the low until the trade reverses and it kicks you out. That way you have protected your profit along the way. Or, once again, you can join us at approximately 10 in the morning. The market analysis will be available at 9. Join us at 10 and learn how to intraday trade. Take advantage of the trade when the market is moving up or down. Okay, here at approximately 10:15, there's an opportunity for us to short. And when you short the market, it means that you are trading to the downside. Here at approximately 12, it tries to retrace to the previous low of $268.54. It did not go below that point, but here it forms a W. Here's your W. When it forms a W, now we're looking for an opportunity to trade to the upside. So when you join us, you will be given opportunities to intraday trade, whether it's going short or whether it's going long. And you take your profit and you exit the trade. So once again, sign up for a membership at StockStarters.com and learn how to successfully trade the stock market.